Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the world of cutting-edge maintenance management with Ausweg CMMS software. If you're in manufacturing, oil and gas production, power generation, construction, transportation, or any industry relying on physical infrastructure, this is a game changer for you. At the heart of efficient maintenance is a robust data collection system, and that's exactly what Ausweg CMMS provides. It centralizes maintenance information, transforming your operations from reactive to proactive. With Ausweg, you can scale your maintenance management to fit your company's demands and budget, whether you operate from a single location or have a global presence. It's flexible and tailored for use by management, engineers, or technicians. From increasing the lifespan of your equipment to adopting a data-driven maintenance approach, Ausweg has got it all covered. Say goodbye to the days of reacting to maintenance issues. With Ausweg, you can proactively manage your assets, thanks to dynamic indicators, dashboards, and visualizations tuned to your technicians. And that's not all. Ausweg brings traceability to a whole new level with crew code scanning. This feature allows you to gather, organize, and share information seamlessly, making audits a breeze. But it doesn't stop there. Ausweg automates the creation of work orders based on time, usage, or trigger events. You can sequence and schedule maintenance, manage suppliers, track inventory costs, and even automate the resupply process. Imagine starting your day with a clear summary of items that need attention. Ausweg delivers a daily dashboard summary and ensures that your technicians are instantly alerted through their mobile maintenance app, complete with images and instructions. In conclusion, Ausweg CMMS software is not just a tool, it's a transformation for your maintenance management. Elevate your operations, increase efficiency, and unlock the full potential. Visit our website or contact us today to embark on a journey towards streamlined and proactive maintenance.